dry, but you are leaving the altar that is the base of everything. When you want to kill a tree, you don't fight its stems, but you destroy the roots thereof. But as for us, we are busy fighting the branches instead of the roots. We have this. We are busy, extremely busy fighting the natural instead of the spiritual. Listen, when the prayer of Daniel was blocked, Daniel was not fighting up against people, but he was fighting against the spiritual territory. In order for you to conquer some or most of your battles, you need to fight them at the altar. Oh, yes. Elijah says, erect your own altar and cry out to your God. And as for me, I will erect an altar for my God. And now the Bible records that the whole day from morning, they've been trying to build, please, they are going to answer them. And they didn't answer. And now, when the time of evening sacrifice had come, now Elijah called up to the heavens and said, let it be known today that you are God. Listen, let God mark a territory in your life. In as much as we declare Galatians chapter 2 verse number 20 that it is no longer I who lives, but Christ lives in me. Let him have a territory and a voice in your life. If we don't give him the power or the authority in our lives, we are declaring the scriptures in vain. My time is fast running out. I think I actually still need the whole night. Oh, yeah. Let me respect the rules. Now, the message that I brought to you, the message that I brought up to you tonight is that we build an altar of prayer. Hallelujah. The altar is broken in your life, but God is saying there is still a chance for you to fix your things with him. Amen. That there is still a chance for you to rebuild this altar and be with him. Hallelujah. Amen. Let's rise up on our feet. Now, before I leave, this is what I want you to know, that a covenant or an altar is strengthened by a repetition of an activity. If we are talking about an altar of lust, it is upon a foundation of you continuously visiting that thing that leads you to lust. When we speak of an altar, any kind of an altar, that is why I said an altar needs to be maintained. Hallelujah. So be careful on your daily activities, because sometimes you are building altars that you don't even know that you are building. Hallelujah. I want us to make a declaration prayer before I go and sit down. I want you to follow me. Say, dear Heavenly Father,